Good. Thank you. So, good morning, esteemed guests, partners, and colleagues. Today, we mark a significant progress towards achieving one of the two outcomes of Ajinomoto Group towards the 2030 roadmap, which is a cornerstone of our commitment to sustainability. This partnership with Fast Logistics Corporation represents not just a collaboration, but an important advancement towards reducing our environmental impact and making a meaningful contribution in the fight against climate change. This marks a milestone in our transition to become a more sustainable and energy logistics fleet management. And with this initiative, we aim to reduce our Scope 3 emissions, which is a key in our target of our ongoing sustainability efforts. By transitioning to electric vehicles, we are taking tangible steps to support the environment and meet our sustainability goals. I am proud and happy to inform you that the electric vehicles that we will be deploying will be powered by 100% renewable energy sourced from a dedicated charging station at our Bulacan factory. This implementation will be rolled out progressively. While not all vehicles will be 100% renewable energy powered, this is just the beginning of our journey. We are excited about the future and looking forward to expanding this initiative as we continue to modernize and eco-optimize the rest of our logistics fleet. This is a crucial shift to ensure success in our long-term vision. We are so grateful that Fast Logistics Corporation being our vital partner in this mission. As I conclude, let us remember that protecting our environment is not just a choice. It is a responsibility. Every step we take, moving towards sustainability, brings us closer to a healthier planet for future generations. Let's commit to being mindful, taking actions, and inspiring others to do the same. Let us co-create a sustainable future together. Thank you and magandang
members of Fast Logistics companies members, thank you very much to join this event. Once again, thank you all for being here today. This marks a significant milestone for the APC Group, and I am both honored and excited to share this moment with all of you. As part of the Ajinomoto Group, Ajinomoto Philippines Corporation is committed to achieving two key outcomes by 2030. One of these is to reduce the group's environmental impact by 50%. A bold and ambitious target that underscores our dedication to sustainability. One way APC is contributing to this goal is by transitioning its logistics fleet to electric vehicles. A move that marks a significant and outstanding step toward reducing our carbon footprint. We truly believe in the power of partnerships, strong, purposeful connections with like-minded companies who share our vision of greener, more sustainable tomorrow. These partnerships are essential for making meaningful progress on our sustainability journey. They not only help us strengthen our initiatives, but also amplify the impact we can have together. I am proud to say that our partnership with Fast Logistics is a prime example of how we are collaborating with others to turn out 2030 roadmap into reality. By joining hands with innovative and forward-thinking organizations, we can drive change on a much larger scale This collaboration is critical to achieving our shared goals. I'm particularly thrilled to announce that Ajinomoto Philippines Corporation will be the first partner with Fast Logistics for its electric vehicle tractor head. This moment is more than just a collaboration. It's pioneering partnership that sets the stage for innovation, stronger industry connections, and lasting impact. As we move forward, we at APC Group are inspired by the endless possibilities ahead. The future is bright, and I'm confident that with your unwavering support, we will continue to build a more sustainable country and a more sustainable world. We are not just reaching our goals, we are shaping a future that will benefit generations to come. With our combined efforts, we will drive meaningful progress and set the standard for a more resource-efficient future. Thank you for your continued support, and let us move forward united in our mission. Thank you very much.
Magandang umaga po sa lahat. It is with great pleasure that I stand before you today to congratulate Ajinomoto, Koichi Osaki-san, President of Ajinomoto Philippines Corporation, Makoto Tanabe-san, Vice President, Ernie Carlos, APC Chief Sustainability Committee and Director of Supply Chain, Donna Penas, SCM Department Head, Al Vera, Senior Manager for Logistics, on this remarkable milestone in your sustainability journey. Your commitment to ESG, environmental, social, and governance principles, especially in transitioning to electric vehicles, is truly inspiring. This isn't just a win for your company. It is a win for the environment, for the future generations, and for the entire industry. I would also like to acknowledge the presence of our dear media partners. We have Mindanao Examiner, Mr. Richard, Malaya, Ms. Mary, Sunstar, Vivian Villanueva, Saksi, Ray, Panay News, Lolo, Manila Society, Lareza, Simple, PH, Ed, Manila Standard, Peter, The Daily Tribune, Chinky, Philippine Star, Jing, Manila Times, Gemma, Mrs. Mirror, Alvin, Manila Bulletin, Jessica. At Fast Logistics, we take pride in being your 3PL, supporting you in making these forward-thinking, sustainable choices. Your bold decision to integrate electric vehicles into your logistics operations is a testament of your leadership in sustainability. We are deeply honored to have played a role in this transformation. We hope to extend our partnership towards warehousing, cold chain operations, sea freight, and other solutions that we could offer as a 3PL. We can accomplish key projects together as we move forward. And then we can have real progress together in the cleaner future. The Fast Logistics ESG strategy has been firmly placed to focus on transitioning to this low-carbon economy. A testament to this commitment includes, meaning we have this present installation today. For example, in Q3 2023, Fast Logistics successfully installed solar panels in our Cabuyao Distribution Center, significantly reducing carbon emissions and enhancing energy efficiency as well. Number two, electrifying the fleet. The company has actively pushed for the purchase of 4 6-wheelers electric vehicles, making a major step in sustainable logistics in cleaner transportation solutions as well. And your EV prime mover is another addition to this fleet, to this number. We also committed to net zero by 2050. And FAST is committed also in your mission in 2030, 5 years from now. perfectly aligned with our vision also in 2030. Tawagan, no? Though these initiatives, Fast Logistics continues to lead by example, providing that responsible business practices and operational efficiency can go hand in hand. As your new trusted 3PL, we are committed to supporting this journey towards a greener, more sustainable future. Sustainability is not just a trend, it is a responsibility. And your leadership in this space proves that your businesses can be both profitable and purpose-driven. By integrating ESG into your logistics operation and supply chain, you are setting an example in the industry. At Fast Logistics, we are fully committed, standing by you in this journey. As your 3PL partner, we will continue to provide solutions that align your sustainability goals, ensuring that supply chain remains both efficient and environmentally responsible. Once again, congratulations to the entire Ajinomoto team. Your dedication to ESG initiatives, particularly in the electrification of your fleet, is commendable. We look forward to many more milestones together as we build more sustainable future. No single organization can achieve this alone. Collaboration is the key word. But together, we can turn these possibilities to reality. Collaboration in Philippines is bayanihan. When you win, we win. When we all win. We contribute a better Philippines and a brighter future for the planet. As we say at FAST, para sa lahat, para sa bayan. I got some keywords here from your speech. Eco-optimize. I learned new word here. And I love your motto. Eat well, live well. Together, farther together, magandang umaga once again. Thank you.
In our transition to become a more sustainable and energy logistics fleet management. No? And with this initiative, we aim to reduce our Scope 3 emissions, which is a key in our target of our ongoing sustainability efforts. By transitioning to electric vehicles, we are taking tangible steps to support the environment and meet our sustainability goals. I am proud and happy to inform you that the electric vehicles that we will be deploying will be powered by 100% renewable energy sourced from a dedicated charging station at our Bulacan factory. This implementation will be rolled out progressively. While not all vehicles will be 100% renewable energy powered, this is just the beginning of our journey. We are excited about the future and looking forward to expanding this initiative as we continue to modernize and eco-optimize the rest of our logistics fleet. This is a crucial shift to ensure success in our long-term vision. We are so grateful that Fast Logistics Corporation being our vital partner in this mission. As I conclude, let us remember that protecting our environment is not just a choice, it is a responsibility. Every step